To sink.
Sink, sank, sunk.
Sink means to go down below the surface of something.
This ship sank 450 years ago.
This graveyard was sunk by priests many years ago. This pepper sank at first, but it stopped sinking and floated back up to the surface.
This toy won't sink and stays on the surface.
We tried to make a hammer sink in the bath, but only the part made of metal sank.
Some things sink and some things don't sink.
These things haven't sunk yet, and they will never sink.
I wonder what could possibly sink in this sketch.
Her phone sank into the snow. It didn't sink far, though.